Okay, today we're going to do 15.2, the increasing and decreasing functions. Okay, basically, right, when a function increases like this, okay, we know that the gradient is positive, so that's why it keeps increasing. So basically, for an increasing function, alright, we know that the gradient dy dx is greater than 0. Similarly, for a decreasing function like this, okay, it's going down, right? This is decreasing, the value gets smaller. Okay, we know that the gradient dy dx is lesser than 0. So these are the two main concepts you need to know before we start on this chapter 15.2. Okay, let's just delve straight into the examples. Okay, now first and foremost, I'm going to do questions 1a first. Okay, 1a says, 1a part 1, find expression for dy dx. Okay, so my function y equals to 4x minus 1. Okay, my gradient dy dx is equals to 4. Okay, now they ask you in part 2, is it an increasing or decreasing function? Basically, since, okay, dy dx is equals to 4, so therefore I can say that dy dx is greater than 0. Okay, so hence it is an increasing function. Simple enough for the first question of 15.2. Okay, now I'm just going to skip ahead and I'm going to do question 7b. 7b is find the range of values of x for which each of the following functions is decreasing. So first I find y is equals to 2x cubed minus 9x squared plus 12x minus 3. So first I find my gradient, which is equals to 6x squared minus 18x plus 12. Okay, now the question is this. Alright, what we need to do is, they say that they want you to find the range of values for which the function is decreasing. So basically I say that for decreasing, okay, my dy dx must be lesser than 0. Okay, so now very quickly, 6x squared minus 18x plus 12 is lesser than 0. Let's try to make our life a bit easier now. I divide throughout by 6. I get x squared minus 3x plus 2 is lesser than 0. Okay, this one, right, it goes all the way back to last year where we did, chapter... What chapter was it? I think it was chapter 1.4, Quadratic Inequalities. So first I will factorize, so I get x minus 2, x minus 1 is lesser than 0. Then how to solve the quadratic inequality? We sketch the graph x. Okay, this will be a smiley graph. So we get 2 and 1. Okay, for the area that we want, that the this thing is dy dx is lesser than 0. This is the area that we want. So the values of x which will allow me to have this will be x is greater than 1 and lesser than 2. And for the range of values of x between 1 and 2, okay, we'll find that this function here will be decreasing. Don't believe me, go and try maybe 1.1, you put it here, you find that dy dx is negative. You try maybe 1.9, you put it here, dy dx is negative. But if you try maybe x equals to 3, okay, which is beyond this range, you'll find that this value here will actually be positive. But that's for you to go and try it out on your own. I will not spend too much time doing that. I give you one last example.